Enjoy your stay at Curve Nova 2.0. Marie D is an up-and-coming digital entrepreneur and model famous for her stunning good looks, effortless charisma, and boundless self-assurance. Today, we'll dive into her fascinating and unique world. Thanks to her friendly demeanor, well-groomed appearance, and daring photographs, Marie has swiftly risen to prominence as a leading figure in contemporary fashion. Her journey began with a genuine interest in art, but her gift for connecting with others transformed that aspiration into a formidable internet persona. Marie D's genuine charisma, easy sense of style, and high-end photo shoots have garnered her a devoted following of admirers. But Marie is more than just pretty pictures, she makes a difference through her platform. Through messages of body positivity, self-love, and confidence, she inspires her followers to embrace their true selves and enjoy their unique beauty. Whether she's showing off high-end ensembles or sharing candid life situations, Marie demonstrates daily that self-assurance is the most beautiful accessory. One thing is certain, though, Marie D's adventure is just getting started, what with her influence just keeping on growing. If you're looking for more motivational stories, Curve Nova 2.0 is the place for you.